DR Sort 49, Predictable Spelling Changes in Word Roots. And these words we're going to be finding pairs, and you're going to see how it changes from this root into this root when we add the suffix, and here to here, and there to there. I want to tell you that this means to take, and this means to hold, and this means to report. Please write that on your headers and on your sort record. As a reminder, make sure you look up any words that I might not mention or you forget and want to look up. So I'm going to try to put these down the columns, matching them up with each other like this. Preconceive, I got to look inside the word and try and find where it goes. Attend and attention. Preconception, of course, remember that pre means before. Preconception goes with preconceive, so I'm going to pair that up. Denounce, denunciation, that would be to put something down. Conception, renounce, that would be again. Obtain goes with container. Renunciation. Conceive with conception, to come up with an idea, to take hold of that idea. Retention, when you need to do something again. Announcement goes with announce. Pronounce. Pronunciation, it's how you say words. And hopefully retain it. Retain the information would mean kind of to keep it. Abstention and abstain, like New York abstained from voting at the Continental Congress. It means that you decide not to vote or not to do something. Detention and detain, kind of keeps you back. The police officer might detain you, which means hold you back. Detention is usually maybe when you miss recess as a consequence. So you can see I've put these all into their pairs. I've underlined some of these already, but take a look at what we're talking about by predictable spelling changes. This changes from CEIV into CEP when we add on that shun, which makes it a verb, to deceive or deception. Preconceive would be to come up with an idea before, and you see how it is changing the spelling here and here. Notice in these two words, all of these, I before E, except after C. Let's look over here at our announce words. To hold, an announcement. I have that in the wrong, wait, hold, announce, to hold. Did I do that one backwards? This one means to report. Sorry about that. I had it backwards on my other paper. To hold. An announcement's not about holding, it's reporting something. So, the nunce, you see the N-O-U-N-C-E into N-U-N-C. This one got to keep it, so how about that? But take a look at this. N-O-U-N-C into N-U-N-C. And we can see that happening on all of these. It's an interesting spelling change, but because it happens all the time, we can at least predict it and learn how to change it when we're adding on those shuns or the ment. And finally, to hold, a container, of course, hold something. Obtain, to container. I think this one seems to be a bit of an oddball because you can see that it actually gets to keep its A-I-N. And this one, I gets to keep the E-N as well. But take a look down here. We have the T-A-I-N into ten. Retention, retain. You can hear it in the words, so just listen. Tain, tension. There we go.